Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mind Your Personal Business, your go-to channel for innovative and exciting ways to earn money online. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to blow your mind: how to make $10,000 a month by investing only $100 a week through drip investing. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because we're about to reveal the secrets. And for those of you who stay until the end, we'll reveal 5 incredible companies that offer drip programs, including some big names you definitely know. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started. All right, let's get right into it. How would you feel if I told you that you could start making $10,000 a month by investing just $100 a week through dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs? Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. But before we dive into the list, let me ask you, what would an extra $10,000 a month mean for you? More time with family, traveling the world, paying off debt? Let me know in the comments. Let's start with the basics. What is drip investing? DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of receiving cash dividends from your investments, you reinvest them to purchase more shares of the company. This way, your investment grows exponentially over time. Imagine planting a small garden. Each time your plants bear fruit, instead of eating it all, you plant some of the seeds back into the soil. Over time, you have a flourishing garden with more fruits than you can count. That's the magic of drip investing. So what's the first thing you'll invest in? Now that we understand what drip investing is, let's explore its immediate benefits. Why is it so powerful? First, it allows you to take advantage of compounding interest. Every time you reinvest your dividends, you're buying more shares, which means you earn more dividends next time. It's a snowball effect. Can you see how quickly this can add up? Second, it's cost-effective. Many companies offer drip plans with no commission fees, so every dollar you invest goes directly into buying more shares. Have you ever calculated how much you'd save without those pesky fees? Third, it's automatic. Once you set up your drip investments, they run on autopilot. This ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend your dividends. Imagine how much your portfolio could grow if you reinvested every dividend. Now let's talk about how to choose the right companies for drip investing. Not all companies offer drips, and not all drips are created equal. Here's what to look for. Focus on companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Look for a consistent track record and check their payout ratio to ensure they can sustain these payments. Companies with a low payout ratio are often safer bets because they retain more earnings to grow the business. Have you researched which companies offer the best drip plans? Additionally, consider the company's growth potential. You want to invest in companies that not only pay dividends, but also have a strong potential for capital appreciation. This way, you're not just earning dividends, your shares are also increasing in value. Can you name a few companies that fit this description? All right, now that you've chosen your companies, let's set up your drip investments. Setting up a drip investment is straightforward. Most companies offer direct purchase plans that allow you to buy shares directly from them. You'll need to fill out an enrollment form, choose your investment amount, and set up automatic reinvestments. It's that simple. Many brokers also offer drip plans. If you already have a brokerage account, check if they provide this service. It can streamline your investments and make managing your portfolio easier. Have you checked if your broker offers drips? And here's a tip. Start small. Begin with 1 or 2 companies, monitor your progress, and gradually diversify your investments. This way, you minimize risk and learn as you go. What companies are you considering for your initial drip investments? Let's dive into a quick example of how compounding interest works with drip investing. Suppose you invest $100 a week in a drip that offers a 5% annual dividend yield. Initially, your $100 might buy you a fraction of a share. But as you reinvest your dividends and add more funds each week, the number of shares you own grows. Next year, you'll earn dividends on your original shares, plus the additional shares purchased with reinvested dividends. Over 10, 20, or 30 years, this compounding effect can significantly increase your investment. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger with each turn. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. That's the power of compounding interest in drip investing. How long are you willing to let your investment snowball grow? Regularly monitoring your investments is crucial. Keep an eye on the company's performance, dividend payouts, and market trends. Adjust your portfolio as needed to maximize your returns. Set aside time each month to review your investments. Use tools like stock screeners and financial news platforms to stay informed. If a company's fundamentals change, or if there are better opportunities elsewhere, don't hesitate to adjust your strategy. How often do you review your investments? Remember, the goal is to grow your portfolio steadily. Stay patient, stay informed, and stay flexible. What's your strategy for keeping up with market trends? To keep you inspired, let's look at some real-life success stories of people who started with modest drip investments and achieved incredible results. Meet Kat, who started with just $100 a week and built a six-figure portfolio through consistent drip investing. Kat chose to invest in well-established companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. By reinvesting her dividends and adding $100 each week, she watched her shares grow exponentially. Within a few years, her portfolio had doubled. Kat didn't stop there. She continued to diversify by adding Procter & Gamble to her drip strategy, further enhancing her returns. Her disciplined approach and patience paid off, allowing her to achieve financial freedom and support her early retirement. Or take Mike, who leveraged drips to create a reliable passive income stream that now supports his family. Mike started investing in PepsiCo and McDonald's drip programs. He was initially skeptical, but stayed committed to his $100 weekly investment. Over the years, his dividends grew, and he reinvested them to purchase more shares. Mike also included ExxonMobil in his portfolio, which provided stability and additional income. His drip investments compounded, and soon, he was earning enough in dividends to cover his monthly expenses. Mike's story is a testament to the power of consistent investing and the magic of compounding interest. These stories are proof that with the right strategy, you can achieve financial freedom. Have you heard of any inspiring drip success stories? And now, as promised, here are those 5 bonus tips that will turbocharge your income potential. Plus, I'll reveal 5 top companies that offer drip programs, including some big names like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. But you'll have to stick around until the very end to get them. Trust me, they're worth the wait. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, those bonus tips. Bonus 1. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your drip accounts. This ensures you stay consistent and never miss a week. How much time could you save by automating your investments? Bonus 2. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated on market trends, read books, take courses. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Have you found any resources that have helped you make better investment choices? Bonus 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize risk and maximize returns. What's your diversification strategy? Bonus 4. Reinvest your profits. Instead of cashing out, reinvest your earnings to accelerate growth. How much faster could your portfolio grow with reinvested profits? And lastly, bonus 5. Network with like-minded individuals. Join investment groups, attend seminars, and surround yourself with people who share your financial goals. Have you joined any investment communities that you can recommend? And as promised, here are 5 companies that offer excellent drip programs: Verizon, 3M, AT&T, Intel, and Realty Income Corporation. These companies have strong dividend histories and are great starting points for your drip investments. Remember, we're not licensed financial advisors, so always seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to turning $100 a week into $10,000 a month through drip investing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and smart strategies, it's entirely possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mind Your Personal Business, and share it with your friends and family. It helps this channel grow. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite drip investment tip. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep minding your personal business.